This is the story of you learning how to make natural products you can use every day without the confusing steps, toxic ingredients, or overpriced natural ingredients. That's why I invented the Perfect. Simply Earth's DIY Everyday Essentials Recipe Box. It's a box for beginners and DIY experts alike that has everything you need to make your own DIY body butter, perfume, deodorant, and more. But warning, there's a new theme each month, turning you from an everyday essentials pro to a soap maker real quick. And you'll unlock the power of nature using essential oils and natural ingredients.
Sounds like DIY nature therapy in a box.
You'll save money because we sell directly, cutting out the middleman. And the products you make will be way cheaper than store-bought. If you think making your own natural products is hard, think again. Simply Earth's recipe box is as easy as 1, 2, 3. 1. Pure ingredients delivered straight to your door. 2. Follow simple tutorials and guides. 3. Experience the joy of making your own natural personal care recipes. Click below to join the box that has over 6,000 5-star reviews to make your DIY recipes in 10 minutes or less. Don't get left in the stink. This box sells out fast.
High quality oils, pure.
Each month you get 4 oils and recipes and things to make your recipes.
13% of their profits go to ending human trafficking.
You heard that right. Our essential oils are 100% pure, backed by GCMS tests, and come from amazing farms just like these.
Cool beans.
You'll get free shipping, free big bonus box, hero course, exclusive discounts, recipe box rewards, like-minded community, and VIP access to new products. Worried you won't like the box? It's all backed by our 60-day, 100% Earth-tastic guarantee. We want everyone to know the joy of turning natural ingredients into DIY products. With this month's DIY Everyday Essentials, you get Simply Earth's Perfumer's alcohol to make your own perfume and room spray, zinc oxide to naturally fight odor and soothe the skin, and even this deodorant tube to hold your deodorant product. You'll learn how to use Focus Essential Oil to help you feel attentive, Rosemary Essential Oil to promote a calm and balanced mood, Patchouli Essential Oil for beautiful skin, and Basil Essential Oil to ease breathing. Achieve your DIY goals with Simply Earth's Recipe Box. Subscribe today.